Hey, welcome everyone. Glad you could join us. Today we had an exciting day in the live trading room on our open house. This is the first open house that we've conducted in this live trading room since we've created number one, our Algo strategies and allowed the public to view. And this is why this is important for everyone, because you get a lot of value for what we're doing here for retail and institutional traders and some of our fund managers. Let's take a look at what we've created here and what we went over expressly in the live trading room today. So first and foremost, as you can see, the system had generated a couple short trades today, and currently the position is now short the S&Ps. A few things that you see on this board. If you were with us today, you note that in the S&Ps, we had a short position this morning. It came a tick before the profit target, which is that blue line. Missed it, stopped out. We went in again because the volume was deteriorating, and currently it is now still short 2 positions in the E-mini S&Ps. That's all this trade system does, 2 position. It is now trail to stop in here. That is our new last conditional change, trail stop function. So this occurred live in front of everybody. What we normally do is we normally have 2 things that we look at: volume, trend, as well as the advanced decline. And the advanced decline was weakening all throughout the trade session. No call to action from anyone being long. Next, we had a long position over the weekend in the Spider 60-minute swing trade, and it covered, liquidated the long, and went short right here. So it is still actually short. Right now, 357 shares right now. Next, we were short the VXX, and that position had been covered. So a nice profit there. Gave up some of the paper profits, but nice trade there. Crude oil generated a short position in front of everybody. And then here's the coup d'etat on the euro currency, because we gave this out in Monday. We do 2 things: a morning briefing for TradeStation. At the same time, I do mine. Many of you have been here for that. Basically, we had, before the day even began, a long position which liquidated. And then in front of everybody, this fired off. We talked about selling the euro currency on the short side, had everything going. Our proprietary volume indicator reflected the market was declining. And then as I was talking about this, I said, guys, this is going to fire off and cover that little red line in the sand. That's the last conditional change. That was the trailing stop function. The volume indicator, this is a specialized proprietary volume indicator, that had fired off. And then what it does is it gives us indications that the downtrend is losing its momentum. And that's important to take profits off the table. Next, it generated a long position. So if anyone had missed anything, the last trade you should have taken was when we said we're long the market and it fires off in front of everybody. This is the long position. That's the stop right there. That's the initial profit target, and it will trail a stop. Now, it's still in the position, and it's currently 12:40 Eastern Standard Time, and we'll look for when this thing fires an exit. Volume right now is starting to weaken, so I'm thinking this trend is starting to dissipate right now, and we'll keep you abreast of that. If you were in the live trading room today, you saw there was a lot of excitement. I mean, not just excitement, but just downright dead accurate calls in the market. And what's neat is it doesn't happen after the fact. It happens live while you're there in the trading room. So you can watch 2 rooms, the live algo room and our main trading room. And the main trading room is what we do to cover our advisory service for our stock positions. The main room, we look at our position, which we have short in TLT from 121.45. We have positions in, we bought in last week in Bristol Myers, down a little bit today, but had a great run last week. We also have Seagate Technologies, and we're trying to pick up some on a pullback here. We're getting that right now. And then XOP, we're looking for a pullback there. So a lot of exciting things, not based on whimsical, fly-by-night feelings, but based on testifiable evidence of our methodology. Many of you have come to like and learn about, especially since we put out a book, how many years ago? 15 years now. Candlestick and pivot point trading triggers. We help repopularize and bring back to life an age-old methodology called pivot points. And I got to tell you something. They very much are a part of what we do here. But nonetheless, if you were in our live trading room, I know you benefited from this today, and I look forward to seeing you back in this live trading community, because to watch trades like this unfold, number one, with the track record and performance history that they have, this is something that every trader should benefit from. And I know there's a lot of different communities out there that you can spend your time with, but I don't want you to waste your time. We want your time is money. My time is money. We want to take out the most that we can with the right indicators. And that's what we've put together here. I hope you join us. And we're building this community. It's exciting. A lot of great things. We're looking at the room in the comments today. There was just some really great trades. We look forward to seeing you in our second day open house on Tuesday. Thanks, everybody. Wow, great day.